In this video, I will show you my exact method that I'm using to earn $1,000 per sale with Instagram affiliate marketing and how you can do the same. And here you can see some of my payment proof that I earned by doing the same thing that I want to show you in this video. So make sure to watch the full video till the end. So first of all, to earn $1,000 per sale, we need a high ticket affiliate product that will pay us $1,000 per sale as a commission. So if I talk about myself, then right now I'm promoting a high ticket affiliate course. It's called Legendary Marketer. So if you don't know what Legendary Marketer is, then Legendary Marketer gives people online marketing education and show them how they can make money online as an affiliate marketer or freelance digital marketer. So right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer because of the two main reasons. First is Legendary Marketer provides people great online marketing education and show them how they can make money online as an affiliate marketer or freelance digital marketer with a step-by-step video training, as well as Legendary Marketer also have a great affiliate program that will allow you to earn high ticket commissions without selling any high ticket product by yourself. Because Legendary Marketer have a great value ladder as well as a great sales team that will sell the high ticket courses to your audience. And when someone decide to purchase, then as an affiliate, you will get up to $1,000 per sale. So you can earn $1,000 per sale without selling any high ticket product by yourself. So this is the two main reason right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer. And Legendary Marketer have a 15-day business builder challenge. So inside this challenge, they will teach you how you can start your affiliate marketing business in just 15 days with step-by-step video tutorial. And the cool thing about this training is you will get your one-on-one business plan advisor once you start this challenge. So you need to book the Zoom meeting with your advisor, and your advisor will help you to build your customized business plan. So if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to start with this challenge. If you want to learn more about this challenge, then check the link in the description below. So once we have a good high ticket affiliate product to promote that will give us $1,000 per sale as a commission, then I will show you how I am driving traffic to promote the affiliate offer using Instagram Reels. So as I told you before, right now I am promoting Legendary Marketer. So there are basically 4 simple steps that I personally following myself to drive targeted traffic to promote Legendary Marketer. So on the first step, you just need to find 10 people who are promoting the same product and follow them. So as I told you before, right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer. So I find at least 10 accounts on my Instagram page that are also promoting Legendary Marketer, and I just started following them. And then in a second step, I find their 10 to 20 top performing pieces of content. So I go into their account and see that which post got more likes and more engagement. And I just sort out their top 10 to 20 top performing pieces of videos. And then in the third step, I started recreating those videos. So I'm not just copy word by word. I just started modeling that content and add my own twist on it. And I also started focusing on their hook story and offer framework that I will show you later in this video. And then the last and most important step is I started repeating these steps over and over again because I was a consistent and I take a patience so that I started getting views on my Instagram Reels. So now I will show you my actual Instagram Reel account so you can easily understand, as well as I will show you which framework I am using to create all of my Instagram Reels. So you can see here, this is my Instagram account, and you can see I created lots of Reels inside my Instagram account. Because if you want to grow your Instagram account, then you must need to be consistent. You must need to be create good quality videos every single day to increase your conversion rate as well as increase your leads. So right now I will show you the exact framework that I'm using to create all of my Instagram Reels. And if you are promoting a different product rather than Legendary Marketer, then you can use this simple framework to promote any product in any niche. So now you are going to watch one of my Instagram Reel as an example, and then I will explain which framework I'm using to create all of my Instagram Reels. A lot of people think that dropshipping is the best way to make money online. But if you start dropshipping, then you need to deal with lots of troubles like a Facebook ad trouble, product fulfillment, and customer service issue. That's why I recommend you to start affiliate marketing, because in affiliate marketing you are just promoting other people's products and services, and your affiliate partner will handle all the other things. So if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, then check the first comment of this video and get instant access of my free affiliate marketing case study where I show you everything that I'm doing inside my affiliate marketing business and earning commission. So you already watched my reel. So I'm using a hook story and offer framework to create all of my reels. So as I told you before, right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer. So that's why I created the hook that dropshipping is the best way to make money online. Because Legendary Marketer teaches people how they can start making money online as an affiliate marketer or freelance digital marketer. So I know that my audience is interested in affiliate marketing or they want to make money online. or they are struggling affiliate marketers and they don't know how to do affiliate marketing the right way. So that's why I created the hook that dropshipping is the best way to make money online, because I know that my audience know about dropshipping and they think that dropshipping is the best way to make money online or not. So that's why I created this hook to grab their attention. And your hook is very important. So the first 3 seconds of your reel is very important. And if you can grab your audience attention in the first 3 seconds, then they will probably watch your reel till the end. So that's why I created this hook. And then in a story, I told people that if you start dropshipping, then you have a lots of troubles like Facebook ads, product fulfillment, and customer service issue. And then I told people that instead you can start affiliate marketing because you are promoting other people's products and services. And your affiliate partner will handle all the other things. So if you start dropshipping, then you need to worry about all of these things. But if you start affiliate marketing, then you don't need to deal with all of these things and your affiliate partner will handle all the other things and you just need to focus on marketing. So in my story, I justify the hook that why dropshipping is not the best way to make money online and why affiliate marketing is the best way to make money online. And then at the end of my reel, or you can also say call to action, I told people that if you want to get my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the first comment. Because I know that if my audience is interested in make money online or in affiliate marketing, then they are also interested in getting my free affiliate marketing case study. So that's why I created this hook. And once someone click the link in my bio or check the first comment, then they go to my funnel and then I will capture the name and email address that I will show you later in this video. But if you are promoting any product in any niche, you can just use the hook, story and offer framework to create all of your reels inside your Instagram account. Then in the next step, I started building my bridge page funnel to build my email list and follow up with email automation. As I told you before, right now I'm using Instagram Reels to drive traffic to promote Legendary Marketer. And at the end of all of my reels, I give people call to action that if you want to get my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in my bio. So when someone click the link in my bio, then they directly come to this page. So this is the first page of my funnel, which is also called the landing page. And the main purpose of this page is to capture people's name and email address who visit this page. So in this page, I capture people's name and email address, and once they click here in this button, then they go to the other page of my funnel, which is also called the bridge page. And in this page, I have a small video that talk about the product that I'm promoting. And once someone click here in this button, then they directly go to the sales page of the product that I'm promoting. And here, once they purchase, then I will get a commission. And I already capture people's name and email address inside this page. So I will send them email automation sequence and talk about the product over and over again. So eventually in future, they will purchase and I will get a commission. So now I will show you my actual funnel so you can easily understand. So in all of my Instagram reels, at the end, I give people call to action that if you want to get my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in my bio. So here is my bio link. So if someone click here on this link, then they directly come to this page. So this is the first page of my funnel, which is also called the landing page. And here I write free affiliate marketing case study reveals our entire affiliate marketing business that allowed us to earn commissions while we are sleeping without any experience creating products, carrying inventory or dealing with customers. So if someone interested in getting my free affiliate marketing case study, then they will definitely click here. And once they click here, then here I write enter your best email below to receive the free case study. And once they give me their name and email address and click here, then they come to this page. So here I write important. Be sure to watch this full video to get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. So here I have a short video. In the beginning of this video, I told people that how you can get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. And later in this video, I talk about the affiliate product that I am promoting. So I talk about Legendary Marketer and I told people that how Legendary Marketer can help you to make money online as an affiliate marketer. And if you want more information about Legendary Marketer, then click here. And once they click here, then they directly go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer. And here we have a short presentation from the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Shap. So inside this presentation, they will explain everything that my audience will get once they start the 15-day business builder challenge by Legendary Marketer. So if someone watch this presentation and if they are interested, then they click here and they directly go to the checkout page of Legendary Marketer. And once they purchase the 15-day business builder challenge by Legendary Marketer, then I will get a commission. So this is the simple funnel that I'm using. So I recommend this challenge to my audience because this is the same challenge that I started with. When I was a beginner affiliate marketer, then someone recommended me this challenge. Then I start this challenge and I learn everything inside this challenge. And then I started implementing everything that I learned. and right now I'm making money with affiliate marketing. So I also recommend my audience who are a beginner affiliate marketer and they don't know how to do affiliate marketing the right way. And you can see here inside the 15 days you will learn all of these things. And once you decide to start this challenge, then you will get a lots of bonuses. You can see here you will get 7 bonuses that worth $3,576 in value, and you will get everything for just $7. So you don't have anything to lose. So if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to start with this challenge. So if you want to learn more about this challenge, then check the link in the description below. And if you want to start with Legendary Marketer, then I will allow you to clone my entire affiliate marketing business. So you can clone my entire funnel as well as my email automation sequence, and you can also give my free affiliate marketing case study to your audience to build your email list. So if you are interested in cloning my exact affiliate marketing business, then check the link in the description below. So now I already captured their name and email address inside this page. So I will follow up with them with email automation and talk about Legendary Marketer over and over again. So eventually in future, they will purchase and I will get a commission. So right now I will show you my actual email automation sequence so you can easily understand. So this is the free software that I'm using to create all of my funnels as well as my email automation sequence. And this software is 100% free until you have a 2000 people inside your email list. So right now if you are a beginner affiliate marketer and you don't have more email list, then I highly recommend you to start with this software, because even in a free plan you will get access of all the tools that is required. So if you want to get instant access of this free software, then check the link in the description below and create a free account today. So right now I will show you my actual email automation sequence. So once I go to email and click on campaign, so here you can see I have a 23 pre-written emails. So when someone give me their name and email address inside this page, then they will get a 23 pre-written emails each email per day. And the main purpose of my email automation sequence is to remove people's objection, provide them additional trainings, and show them other people's social proof. So as I told you before, right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer, but my email audience have a confusion that Legendary Marketer is actually legit or not, and Legendary Marketer will actually help me to make money online as an affiliate marketer or not. So my job as an affiliate marketer to remove all of their objection, and once I remove all of their objection, then they will definitely purchase Legendary Marketer through my link and I will get a commission. So now I will show you some of my emails so you can understand that which type of email that I write to remove people's objection about Legendary Marketer. So inside my first email, I write get access of our affiliate marketing case study. Open this email. So once someone open this email, then inside the email, I have one link. And when someone click here on this link, then they can get access of my free affiliate marketing case study that I promised them in all of my reels. Then in a second email, I write let us introduce ourselves, pics inside. So when someone open this email, then inside this email, I told my story to my audience. I told my audience that how we came from India to New Zealand as a migrant, and right now we are making money with affiliate marketing. Because I know that if my audience know our story, then they can easily trust me. And once they trust us, then they can definitely purchase a product that I am recommending to them. And inside that email, I have one link that called sign up with Legendary Marketer. And once someone click that link, then they directly come to the sales page of Legendary Marketer. And once they watch the free presentation and decide to purchase, then I will get a commission. I have a lots of email. So you can see here. Here I write proof is Legendary Marketer legit. So inside this email, I talk about the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Shah. So Dev Shah featured in Entrepreneur and Forbes magazine. And these magazines are very popular magazine. So if Dev Shah got a chance to feature inside this magazine, then definitely Legendary Marketer is a legit. And I told my audience that if you want to start, then click the link inside the email. And once they click the link inside the email, then again they go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer, and once they purchase, then I will get a commission. So by using my email automation sequence, I'm just removing all of the objection of my audience. And once I do that, then they definitely purchase Legendary Marketer through my link and I will get a commission. So this is the exact thing that I'm doing right now in my business to earn $1,000 per sale. And you can see here, I earned this commission by doing the same thing that I just show you in this video. You can see here, I just made $1,350 with just one sale. So this thing is 100% working. You can see here is my name Harshil Patel, and I earn $1,250 with just one sale by promoting Legendary Marketer. And if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to get instant access of my free affiliate marketing case study, because inside this case study I will show you everything that I'm doing inside my affiliate marketing business and earning commissions. So if you want to get instant access of my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in the description below. And now, if you have any question related to this video, then comment below this video and I will definitely give you reply back. See you in the next video.